Additive manufacturing for BMW is currently a very well-established technology. Our parts mostly serve to help in the decision-making process, where 2 or 3 models are presented and the executive board needs to make a decision. So for that, the parts look perfect. They look like what you would see on the street. And that's where we come in.
My name is Kevin Baker. I work at Bentley Motors. The latest technologies that we have is the rapid prototype system, which allows us to develop things in a totally new way. That goes from small scale models to a full-size model that you see here today.
Well, Ford uses 3D printing because it gives us a lot of advantages in being able to create something right away. We can do many iterations all at the same time. We can come out, engineer can say, I've got some ideas, I've got 5 or 6 different parts, I really don't know which one I want. We'll make them all at once, and we'll make them all in a very short period of time.
Currently the machine is making some 1/3 scale wheel rims and tyres. An example of this is this part. So this is a 1/3 scale tyre that will eventually be used within a 1/3 scale model.
You can do that time and time and time and time and time again and come up with a really optimized part at the end of the day, and that's all because of the speed that we can produce the prototype parts with without tooling.
This is a bracket of an A380 crew rest compartment. It takes a lot of weight and it follows the classical design rules. This here is an equal bracket for the same purpose. It follows the design of a bone. The design process is completely different. At the one hand we have 1.2 kilos and at the other hand 0.6 kilos. So this technology, 3D printing and new design rules really help us to reduce the weight, which is the biggest issue in aircraft design.
Everything in orange was 3D printed by Stratasys in Minneapolis by Red Eye On Demand, and even the windows were vacuum formed over patterns that were 3D printed.
This is how the technology is moving forward. What we're really showing our bosses is absolutely reality.
So there's tens of thousands of flight hardware parts in operation currently within Boeing, but they all share a common theme in the fact that each one of these programs need parts quickly, in their hands in a matter of days, not a matter of months.
3D parts that we make for prototype go on every part of the vehicle you can think of.
Parts out of sand, we actually make a casting, so that is basically identical to a production casting. You know, we're just using a different technology to make the mold than you would in production.
So we can do the real-life physical testing. It holds up exactly to the way a production part would hold up.
I could imagine that a number of components are manufactured in this way in the long term. Additive manufacturing is going to help us develop cars more efficiently and better, and the cars are ultimately going to get better, possibly more fuel efficient.